2017 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Really beautiful truck, lifted, got a Recon Tactical body kit on it. Really nice, fender flares, tires, all that good stuff. What we got done on it for him, it's got factory converters there, and there. Then there's a dreaded third cat. Then what we put is a Black Widow right there, angry housewife, or in his case, ex-angry housewife. Anyways, so we added that on there. You see that? Part number WIDBWAHW30-P. Then we had to add a Y pipe, and he had duals on it before with a floor with some kind of muffler. It's like a turbo muffler. He's like, I hate it. It wasn't loud enough for him. So we put up all these different mufflers on it, and he liked the angry housewife out of all of them. So there's the, and then we put also 5-inch strips on it, black, just to complete the look for him. Right there and right there. There's the old tips we cut off, and there's the old muffler we cut off. And that's what it looks like now. It looks a lot better. It fits those holes perfectly. And there'll be a link in the description for the Black Widow. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's a lot better. That's a nice tone. Go ahead. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. You can actually hear it now. Sound decibels. Again. 106 on it, that's perfect. It's not gonna drone or nothing. You see how the tips made it even deeper? Black Widow 5-inch tips. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Thank you. That sounds so much better. I love the hood scoop, and it's a working hood scoop, so it's really nice. Look at that. That's really clean. I like that. Really good looking truck all the way around. It's the Recon Tactical Edition. I guess kit and all that. There's so many different kits out there. This one's really cleanly done though. I like it.